Good morning, Rochelle. Well, this event is happening on Saturday, and we're so excited. The neat thing, too, is that you get to go and walk up to the booths and learn about the people behind it and where your food really comes from. Evy Wiebe joins us to tell us all about this with Manitoba's Chicken Producers. Tell us about yourself, too, because I kind of alluded to it in my introduction.
Perfect. Yes, my name is Evy. Thank you for having us. So I'm a Manitoba chicken farmer. I raise chickens, broiler chickens, which are chickens raised for meat at my farm in the country. And the kids have grown now, but we have grandchildren. And our little grand girl, she's just 4. She's coming in. She's learning the ropes. She knows how to check for the clean water. She knows how to check for the nutritious feed. And she's learning to look at the chickens and see what they look like and that they're happy and comfortable. Mm-hmm. So,
well, I was going to say she created this board. Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. Not quite yet, but you do want to educate.
Right. She could probably answer a lot of the questions, but she's still sleeping, so. But yes, we're very proud of her. But yes, this is an opportunity for you all to learn about chicken farming, just like my little granddaughter, Sadie. Mm-hmm. So this is the wheel, and when you come to the city and the mall and join us, then we'll play the game. So we'll just give it a little spin.
So much anticipation.
I know.
All right, let's do this. We've hit beverage.
Yeah. So then we'll talk about it. So I'll ask you, what does a chicken drink?
It feels like a trick question or even a joke, but I'm going to let you answer that.
Okay. I'm the expert, so I know. Chickens drink water. They are in barns, and they have lots of feed and water and clean water, so it's a very good place for them. And we are so grateful that they're in barns because then we can provide chicken for our fellow Manitobans year-round. And you got the answer. What do you pick?
One of these.
I know. Spatula. Everybody can use a spatula.
30 seconds or less. Why should people come to the booths?
Oh, to meet me and talk to me about chicken farming, to learn where your food comes from. It's such a good message to learn where your food comes from and learn about chicken. We've got resources. We've got recipe books. We've got an excellent book about chicken farming. So come on down.
Thank you so much. We're going to wrap it up like that. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ainsley.